Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming the TV model and ensuring the universal remote has fresh batteries. This avoids false negatives. Power the TV on, then point the remote at the IR sensor from about 1 to 3 meters. Once done, press and hold the remote's code search or setup button until the LED blinks or changes color. This signals the remote entered code search mode. Make sure to keep the remote steady and avoid obstructions, because line of sight matters for the infrared pulses the remote will send. Next, you'll scan through the remote's stored codes. Press the remote search or channel plus button to step through codes. Each press sends the next code to the TV. After each code is sent, press the power button to check if the TV turns off. This is the fastest confirmation. Once the TV responds, immediately press Enter, Store, or the remote's equivalent to lock that code into memory. If you miss it, repeat the scan. Patience pays, because some code banks are long and require many steps. Finally, verify the key functions. Test volume, input, mute, and menu to ensure the code covers all features. If some buttons don't work, try alternate codes for the brand or run a full auto scan. Sometimes one code handles power but not inputs. If nothing works, troubleshoot. Replace batteries, remove obstacles from the IR path, and reset the remote to factory defaults before repeating the search. If problems persist, consult the remote's code list for model-specific entries.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.